Number 7 on your review. That is, we're looking at simplifying radicals again, but now we have a negative sign underneath our radical symbol. So we're looking at these notes where we've got our imaginary numbers. Don't forget that if your radical has a negative underneath, that means you have imaginary numbers and you're going to have an I in your answer. Does not mean that you're going to leave the negative underneath the radical, and it doesn't mean that you're going to have a negative outside of your radical. It means you're going to have an I outside of your radical. Okay, so we're going to follow the same steps. We're going to list the prime factors of our number inside, and we're going to pull out our pairs. This is pairs because it doesn't have a number outside. We're doing the square root. So menu 2, 3, 12. Our factors are -1, that's that negative sign, and then 2 2s and a 3. We're pulling out our pairs. So remember, this negative number comes out as an I. This pair comes out as a 2. And this lonely 3 stays inside. It doesn't have a pair to match up with. So the 2I comes outside, and we're left with the 3 still underneath our radical inside. It's very, 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 very important. All you have to remember here, not all you have to remember, but it's very important to remember here that this negative sign equates to the I outside. Do not leave the negative inside, and don't just make this negative. It's an I. It's an imaginary number.